steelhead.
Yeah, we're hooked up here.
Big steelhead. Big steelhead.
Nice.
Yeah, that's big. 10 pounds, 12 pounds at least. Big one. I'm gonna get you guys some little changes right now.
What'd that one get on?
Well, it was on a little minnow. Big fish.
Wow. That's a hole.
Yep. Giant.
Wow.
Easy now. Yep. Drop down and reel. That's a freaking toad, dude. Gotta get his head going. There we go. Easy. This would be one, if you're not going to mount, you're going to want to let go. It's just way too big.
What is it?
Big giant steelhead. Get some good pictures. Dude, that's a big fish.
It sure is.
Through the ice like that.
Pretty fish.
Yeah, he's 12 pounds.
What are you shaking for, Billy?
Because I'm nervous.
You need to get your arms a little longer.
Just when you think you got him licked, you know? Dude, I was looking at that float. I'm like, oh, that float just went up. I was just about ready to pull it down and went, boop, dunk.
Yeah, I had just looked at it.
It went off right as I was ready to grab the rod. Nice technique, Bill. I like it. Nice technique. Everybody be quiet except Bill. He caught a big one last year. What was that one? 15, 16 pounds last year?
Don't do that.
You know what you're having a problem with, Bill, right?
What?
Bill's wife doesn't like me. You know why that is?
Yes, I do.
Because he's been keeping fish to go to the taxidermist. She won't let him. He caught a big walleye with me this spring. He's still waiting to have that thing put.
It's still in the freezer, though.
Still in the freezer.
How big?
Come Valentine's Day, I think, maybe.
There you go.
How big was it? 30, 31?
30. Just 29 and a half, wasn't it? 30?
I don't remember. I know we had a couple that were like
three
23 right around
beauties.
30. I almost had them, dude. I just take your time, enjoy it. Don't rush to get
Somebody want to put that rod in that rod holder over there? Just in case.
Just in case. Good call. Like, take it down and it's gone before you know it. It's going to be ready here in a second. So.
It's a big fish. It's a toad.
No, dude, it's a giant. You don't catch many rainbows throughout the year that are that big, that are bigger than this fish right here. You get a few that are that size, a few that might be bigger, but that's a top end fish for around here.
It is a huge fish.
Wow, that's a big ass rainbow for ice fishing.
It's a big rainbow anywhere.
Yeah, well, you go out to the west coast, it ain't a big one, but for around here in the Great Lakes, it's a real big one. They get 25 pounders out there, you know, we don't ever see those. You ready, Bill?
I'm ready if you are. And the fish is.
I'm about ready.
He just can't get his head up there for you.
Just try to watch that split shot so that split shot doesn't get caught up on the ice. So that's one thing you want to watch out for.
530.
Wow.
A lot of power.
Yeah, you think you get them licked, they come up to the hole and shake their heads. That's where everybody usually loses them, because they get their head up and they start to pull them through right away, try to grab them, and then they snap them off.
Yeah, you might as well take your time.
Just take your time. You ain't going anywhere. I always tell those big ones too, you hook them, you feel those big head shakes, you know? Shit, that other one he just had on was freaking giant. Would have been so cool to have a big steelhead and a big
Here he
brown.
comes.
He looks like he's hooked good, okay? I haven't seen the hook, so I think it's in his mouth or down deep there. But I think he's hooked pretty good. Holy crap, nice thick fish.
There's a beauty in it. Golly.
Nice work, Bill, nice work.
Here he
There
comes.
you go, there's the leader.
Oh.
Reel down to it, reel all the way down to the leader, and I'll lift up nice and slow. Just keep lifting, keep lifting, keep lifting, keep lifting, keep lifting.
Son of a bitch is too big, don't come through.
Yeah, wow, that's a giant, dude. That's a giant.
These fuckers going on the wall.
That's a beauty.
Dude, that's a
I'm
huge
still
arm.
flying fishing with you.
Yeah, you're
the
done.
hell I ain't.
Here, go hold it up and take a quick picture.
Yeah, let's
Oh my goodness.
that's probably pushing 14, 15, that's 15 pounds probably. Just a big fish.
Thank you. Thank you so
Angler
much.
pound.